Jack Miller, Suzuka 8 Hours Challenge, Yamaha's key to success revealed. Imagine stepping in for a completely new world where teamwork is everything and individual glory takes a back seat. That's the challenge Jack Miller faces as he prepares to return to the Suzuka 8 Hours with Yamaha. But here's where it gets controversial. Success in this endurance race isn't just about being the fastest. It's about working together seamlessly. Yamaha's team manager, Wataru Yoshikawa, sheds light on what makes or breaks a team in such high-stakes events. Four-time MotoGP champion Jack Miller, who currently races for Pramac Yamaha, is set to join forces with Andrea Locatelli and Katsuyuki Nakasuga for this weekend's Suzuka 8 Hours. It's a significant shift from his usual track in MotoGP, where individual performance often overshadows team dynamics. His last appearance at Suzuka in 2017 saw him finish fourth with Honda. Yoshikawa emphasizes that endurance racing is fundamentally different from MotoGP. None of us are endurance specialists, he explains, and we're all top riders in our respective categories. This makes it inherently challenging. The key to success, according to Yoshikawa, lies in defined roles and mutual respect. It won't work unless everyone is willing to do their best with respect, he stresses. Each rider needs to understand their role and stick to it. But here's the catch. Ego can be a significant obstacle. Everyone wants to be the star, and it's natural for top riders to want to showcase their skills, Yoshikawa notes. They believe they can perform at their peak, even on used tires, which is understandable given their competitive nature. This brings us to the crux of the matter, balancing individual ambition with team cohesion. If riders prioritize personal achievements over teamwork, the entire endeavor can falter. And this is the part most people miss. Endurance racing requires a level of selflessness that isn't always common in individual sports. On the final day of testing, Honda HRC, with Johann Zarco, Xavi Vierge, and Takumi Takahashi, set the pace with a best time of 2:05.645. Yamaha's number 21 team, featuring Miller, Locatelli, and Nakasuga, came in second with a time of 2:05.981, closely followed by the number 7 Yacht Yamaha bike. As Miller and his teammates prepare for the big race, the question remains, can they put aside their individual aspirations and work together for the greater good? Or will ego get in the way of their chances at victory? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.